Hello, good morning, class. Today is Monday, May 18th, 2020. How is everyone doing? I hope you're all doing well. High five. Guess what? We got only 3 weeks. No, this week and 3 days. This week and 3 days next week. And school is over. So hang in there and let's finish strong, okay? All right. Our lesson objective this week is still on The Outsiders. We're still reading our book The Outsiders by S.E. Hinton. All right. And our lesson objective this week is we're going to explain how the setting influences the values and the beliefs of characters. Explaining how the setting influences the values and beliefs of characters. So at this point, I want to ask, what do we remember about the setting in the story? If you haven't watched the video, the hook in the Word document on setting, this is the good time to pause this video and then go into the Word document and watch the video on setting. All right, so what is setting? Setting talks about the time, the place, and the environment in which the story is taking place, or in relation to the characters within the story. So we're looking for the event in the story, the atmosphere in the story, the environment in the story, and how it impacts the characters' behavior to cause them to act in ways that they normally wouldn't have or would have if it wasn't that situation. And so an example, right, in the story The Outsiders, let's take Ponyboy for example. When he was walking from the movies and was walking home, he was way on the other side of town, which was on the arrival side, the socials. And he was walking by himself and he felt okay until he saw the socials driving up. And even then, he didn't think there was anything wrong until he realized that they were following him. And so that setting actually caused him to get nervous, right? Because he wouldn't have been nervous anyway. But now he's nervous, now he's afraid, and now he's realized that he's in danger because he's alone and he doesn't have his friends with him. All right. So that atmosphere and that environment and that situation he found himself in caused him to start walking fast and running. But unfortunately, they caught up with him and then he got jumped. Okay, he got jumped in the park. And so that is an instance where the environment and the setting influence the behavior of the character. And eventually, in the story, as we read on towards chapter 3, 4, and 5, we will find out how this event and this situation here caused Ponyboy's behavior and values to change along the way. So let's think about other instances in the story. It could be in the park, it could be in Ponyboy's home, it could be in the driving, whichever setting that you can think of that we've read so far in chapter 1 and 2, and then you choose your character in relation to the setting and then tell us how that atmosphere or environment caused the character to behave in a way that he wouldn't normally have. Okay, all right. And remember that all these happenings around actually affect our mood and how we feel, basically. All right, how the character feels and then how the reader also feels. All right, so it's your turn to come up with your example and post it on the Jamboard. All right, okay, I'll see you then. Bye. Take care.